Thinking about downsizing? Here are some things to consider. I'm Maxwell Stevens with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and the best way to think about downsizing is really right-sizing. Is your house the right size for your lifestyle needs? Start by determining what those needs actually are. Do you need to lower your maintenance costs or taxes, or maybe cash in all that home equity? Need to drive less, live closer to work or services that you depend on? Want to live in a more walkable neighborhood or closer to family? Figuring out what's really important to you could help make the right move more clear. For many people and families, right-sizing makes them more efficient so that they can focus on what matters most. If you've decided that you want to downsize, here are a few tips. Start packing up your things and giving away things that you know you're not going to bring to your new house. Reduce the space that you're living in now so that you can prepare yourself for living in a smaller home. I'd be careful renting or buying your new home until your present home is under contract. If you plan on moving somewhere that's a homeowners association, make sure that you research the rules and regulations of that particular community. I hope this was useful to you, and if you have any questions or need help planning your real estate lifestyle goals, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help.